Guys, what if I say a simple image of yours is just enough for making an AI video, which is amazing? That's true. My name is Sudhakar, your digital marketing expert at LeadSynclink, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, head towards Google, type in Pippet AI. Once you type in, click on the first link which comes on the browser. Then you'll end up on a dashboard such as this. Now just click on AI talking photo. Once you click on that, you'll end up on a dashboard such as this. Now, click on this and add any of your images. This is it. Now click on done. Checkbox. Click next. Now the crazy part comes. All you need to do is provide a text and the image talks. This is crazy. Copy this and paste it over here and click save. You can also select multiple voice over here to Davis, a cool voice, and then click on save. And then you select a caption type. Let me choose this one. I named it Pippet AI LeadSynclink, resolution as 2K, no watermark, and that's it. Click on download. This might take a lot of time, but the product is worth it. Let me show you that. And this is the output.
Follow us for all the tips, tricks, and tools that'll make your competitors wonder how you're always 2 steps ahead. Ready to make money? Let's chat.
That's crazy. That's literally crazy. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe so that I make many more videos such as this. See you guys in the next video. Take care.